Within the healthcare market, the medical technology industry has been a strong sector. Nevertheless, the industry is facing several challenges. To guide you through your transformation, we developed a big picture of the future medtech industry. In the following, we will provide you an overview of key industry-specific topics. Markets and customers. Lifecycle intelligence. Business strategy for global markets. Regulatory efficiency. Product documentation. Product and service development. Traceability. Unity's customers have become digitalization winners. Our clients benefit from our expertise in the healthcare market, our strong digitalization competence, and our ability to transform organizations successfully. We are your partner for transforming your organization in order to be ready for the future.